Today we are diving into something super exciting, how to set up the perfect Fiverr gig in 2025. If you want to level up your freelancing game this year and start making real money on Fiverr, you've landed in the right spot. Oh, and a quick heads up, if you are also thinking about starting freelancing on Upwork, I have tons of videos on how you can nail your cover letters. Last, I pinned a free Upwork proposal template in the comments, totally free. So check those out if you want to get a jump start on getting ahead. Alright, grab your coffee or your favorite snack because we are about to break this down into step by step. Get ready to take notes because this could change your freelancing game forever. My Fiverr story. Real talk. I have been freelancing on Fiverr for years now. I've created tons of gigs, completed thousands of orders, and yes, made enough to pay a few vacations and a few fancy espressos. Fiverr has changed a lot over time, and if you still think it's the same as 4 years ago, you're wrong. Fiverr is way more advanced today. They have rolled out cool stuff like AI-powered tools, subscription gigs for steady income, and even video intros to connect better with buyers. If you are not using these yet, trust me, you are missing out big time. Before we jump into the techie stuff, here's a little story for you. When I first started, I thought I had to pick the highest paying gig to make it big. Guess what? I ended up hating it and almost quit freelancing altogether. That's when I realized the secret sauce. You have got to do what you actually enjoy. Otherwise, what's the point? There is your chance to do what you love and make money at the same time. Step 1, choose what you love. Look, Fiverr is competitive, but the freelancers who stand out are the ones who love what they do. It's like dating. If you fake it, it won't last. So take a moment to think about what lights you up. Writing, designing, voiceover, whatever it is. If you are passionate, it will show. Here is a quick exercise I sometimes like to do to sharpen my skills. Write down all the things that you love and enjoy and what you're curious about, and then group them. Explore Fiverr's new skill test and AI recommendation that match your profile to trending gigs. You might find a sweet spot you'd never thought of. Step 2, make your gig title clear. Your gig title is your handshake. You want it to be firm, confident, and clear. Fiverr's algorithm in 2025 is smart. It loves titles that match exactly what buyers want. Instead of I will write your ebook, try something like I will write a best-selling ebook that sells on Amazon. Boom. Now the buyer knows exactly what they are getting, and the algorithm loves that too. Keep it under 8 words. Use Fiverr Auto Suggest feature to spy on what buyers are searching for. And remember, you do not have to be clever, just clear and direct wins. Step 3, use good video and images. This is the biggie. Fiverr now lets you add 10 to 15 second video intro in your gig. So do that. This is your chance to say hi and show your face and let your personality shine. Buyers love it because it's authentic. For gig images, do not just slap on any photo. Use Fiverr AI digital tool to make crisp, professional thumbnails. Put your gig title right on the image. Think about it. When you shop online, what catches your eye? Then make that. Also, smile in your photo. Humans connect with smiles. It's the marketing psychology 101. Step 4, write a friendly description. Your description is not just about listing what you offer. It's about making the buyer feel confident that you've got their back. Start friendly. Tell them that you are here to make their life easier. Use bullet points for what you include. Fiverr now lets you bold text and add emojis. Use these sparingly to help key in information that will pop. Pro tip. Mention if you use AI tools like ChatGPT to speed up or to enhance your work. Buyers love honesty and innovation. Add a quick FAQ to answer common questions up front. What is your revision policy? How fast is delivery? What topics do you not cover? Clear communication prevents confusion later. Step 5. Pricing and subscriptions. Stick with Fiverr's classic 3-tier model: basic, standard, and premium. But here is a 2025 hack. Add subscription gigs. This means buyers can pay you monthly for ongoing work. Steady income means less stress. Be crystal clear on what each tier offers. Example: basic 500-word blog post, standard 1,500-word blog post including SEO, premium 3,000-word blog plus SEO, plus social media graphics, and don't forget add-ons like faster delivery or revisions. Those little upsells add up. Step 6. Get great reviews. Early reviews make or break your gig success. Deliver early, communicate well, and politely ask clients to leave a positive feedback. Fiverr now sends automatic reminders for reviews, but a friendly nudge from you can never hurt. If you get a negative review, don't freak out. Just stay calm, fix the issue if possible, and Fiverr can remove unfair reviews. Step 7. Stay active. Fiverr tracks how fast you respond and how often you update your gigs. Be quick with replies and freshen your gigs every few months. Use Fiverr's analytic dashboard to see which gigs perform best and tweak your strategy. Try Fiverr AI Gig Builder to get personalized setup ideas. Go live on Fiverr news streaming feature to show off your skills and chat with potential buyers. Take Fiverr Learn courses and get badges that boost your credibility. Join Fiverr Community Forum to network and find leads. All right, friends, that is your 2025 roadmap for setting up Fiverr gigs that actually work. Follow these steps and add your own personality. And get ready to see some real results. Remember, if you want to get started on Upwork too, check out my Upwork cover letter videos and grab the free proposal templates in the pinned comment. If you had found this helpful, then smash the like button, subscribe for more freelancing tips, and share this with someone who is ready to start freelancing in 2025. Thanks for hanging out with me. Now get to work and make Fiverr gig shine. Until next time, be freelantastic.